Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Which of these given expressions is a polynomial? So we know for a given expression to be polynomial, two conditions have to be satisfied. Degree has to be non-negative integer and coefficient has to be real number. So observing options, we find that option D has in option D all variables have non-negative integer power and coefficients are real. So in option D both conditions are satisfied. So answer is option D.